Hello everyone and welcome back to Glitch Drive. Today, we explore another fascinating mystery that will keep you hooked until the very end. So, let's dive in.
Puis nous, on va lire les choix à la fin.
What the fuck?
Real nice. Just jump right out there in front of that little car and fuck everything all up. You had your nose stuffed up Koch's ass for 2 miles. Hey, go somewhere. Son of a bitch.
Qu'est-ce que je peux faire pour Victoria? En Victoria, quelques minutes.
Pull up. Let me see you do that shit again. Pull up. Go! You wanted to cut me off. Forget the braking space. Go! 60 fucking...
ready to head that way? Michael.
Yeah.
You want me to head that way?
Yeah, you might need to. I don't know. I can't even get out and look. His fucking trailer and truck is wrapped around the left side.
Oh, shit. Okay. All right. Yeah, give me stop where you're at. Oh, you just think that's fucking good? Right out in front of me at 65 miles a fucking hour, huh?
Woo, shit. What you got to say for yourself?
I hate dumbass driving.
Pretty nice little Dodge there, 3500. God. My hood I just did.
Hey, watch out. All right, keep going. Hold on. I'll call you later.
That's real nice, FedEx, you motherfucker.
Offer to pay more than the asking price. Our realtor was basically saying that since we're going, I think we're getting maybe $200 to $300 over rent a month, and that's shocking. Rolski, who was looking to rent with her fiance, found a house for $1,800 a month. 20%, $1,500 a month. Just north of downtown, workers nailed together the frame of a new regulations, labor shortages, and supply chain issues.
We got notice today on this house that the windows might not be here for another 3 weeks, and we're going to be ready for them in about a week.
In the meantime, that's one less home.
And yesterday was, we got up in the morning and I had her gifts laid out on the kitchen table, and she loved her gifts. And
Did you write a love poem?
no, I just got her a really cool card. You know, a really cool, mushy love card, and Then I always get like a funny card also. It was the card was really cool. Very simple card. It had pictures of 2 spoons on the front, 2 little spoons. It says, "I love to spoon with you," and then it opens up, and there's 2 forks in there, and it says, "I like the fork too."
Yeah.
Roses are red. Give me head.
And I got her a box of Godiva chocolate.
Right.
You know it all.
But
I'm fucking empty. I can't be.
how much I love her and how much I like spending, my
fucking idiots.